Hey, what's up guys, it's Jamie. Thanks for joining me in this video. Gonna be a bit of a quick one. I'm just going for a bit of a stroll around the botanical gardens near my place here in Melbourne. It's a nice day, spring. On the eve of my 40th birthday, I can't believe it. It's pretty incredible. So taking some time to reflect and heading out for a little bit of a wander around while we still can. Anyway, the lesson I've got for you guys today, and actually, before I get into that, if this is the first time here, I'd like to say a very warm welcome to you. My name's Jamie. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer and coach over 660 students, absolutely crushing it with their affiliate marketing businesses, going from everywhere from 0 to 1 to 2K per month, right up to as high as $50,000 per month and beyond, which is pretty cool. So if you're interested in learning a little bit more about affiliate marketing, specifically from an organic marketing perspective, it's what I specialize in. Feel free to hit the subscribe button and smash that bell icon to stay up to date with everything I'm putting out. All that being said, if you're driving your vehicle, and for those of you that are drivers, and hopefully everyone else is going to understand the analogy I'm going to use here, if you're driving a car and all of a sudden the brakes stop working, what's effectively happened is there's fluid. The brake fluid is leaked out somewhere, right? Like in most cases. Now it could be a whole myriad of things, but let's assume for the sake of argument that's the case. But you don't necessarily know that 100%. And it's not until you finally find a way to stop the car that you can check the brakes and check the brake fluid and all that type of stuff, and to know why the brakes didn't work. And so the brakes are broken. And so how do you diagnose that? You have to get a mechanic, or if you know your way around a vehicle, then you have to basically go under the car and check and see if it's the disc pads or whatever else. Forgive me, I'm not a mechanic, but I know a couple of things. And so where I'm going with all this is, if you don't know where the leaks are in your business, how do you know which areas you need to improve on? And this is why it's vitally important to treat this like a business and start keeping a few KPIs for yourself. It's been an absolute game changer for me. It's something that's helped me go from 10 to 15K per month right up to, I just had my biggest month. A little bit ironic that I turned 40 because it's just shy of 40K a month. 34 cash, collect another 6 in payment plans due, which is pretty damn cool. So biggest month online, and this is something that has massively helped in terms of being able to keep these KPIs. Because if, okay, especially from an organic marketing perspective, if you're adding this many friends here, and then you've got this many warm leads here, and you're booking this many calls here, and you're still not making sales, and you're still not hitting your income goals, then where is the gap? And of course, you're going to know that really quickly, because if you're keeping a rough guideline on what it is that you're doing every day, and okay, you know what, I'm only added like 5 people today, or I only got 5 fresh leads, and out of those, there was 1 conversation that I had that was decent. So if you don't know those numbers, how are you going to fix the leak in your boat, the brake in your car, as it were? And in doing so, you're going to be able to diagnose really quickly and work out what your weaknesses are. So it means that instead of going, okay, I must be missing something in my business, go out there and actually find out what it is that you're missing, what the leaks are, what the issues are. And the only way you're going to do that is by really pushing through those numbers to know, okay, it's a content thing, okay, it's a sales thing, maybe my office just sucks, right? And once you get through those points and you're able to basically hammer home where the leaks are, then you're going to improve. And in doing so, guess what else is going to improve? Your results. You make more sales, and you're going to have more fun doing it, because now you're going to know the exact issues as they arise, because you can see them because of the data that you're bringing in. So anyway, that's a real quick one for me, folks. Hopefully this helps, and feel free to hit the subscribe button. Also, if you'd like to join my group, there's a link below here. I go live on pretty regular occasion, talk about my 10 plus years online. Like I say, we've got over 660 students crushing it with affiliate marketing and coaching, all sorts of stuff over there. So there's a link below. For everyone else, thanks for tuning in. See you next time. Thanks, guys.